Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna learn how to make gift box for jewelry, makeup or storage. Accessories to make a gift box: we need card sheet, scissors, stoneless, printed paper and glue. First we're gonna cut card sheet 5.5 inch in a circle, one for base and one for cap. Now for the cap, we're gonna cut another card sheet into 1.5 inch wide and 18-inch long and stick it around the first circle. Now for the decoration, we will stick stone lace around the cap. Now for the second part, we will cut piece of card sheet 18-inch long and 3.5 wide and stick it with the remaining 5.5 piece of card sheet to make a box. Now to make it look beautiful, you can use any kind of printed paper or gift paper and stick on it. And your gift box is now ready to use. This is how you can also make it easily and quickly. Do watch my another amazing video. To like, comment, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Bye.